Increase what, male? Number of men? Number of men, number of fathers, could be number of dads, number of men, okay. Bunch of things, right? Read that one. Yes.
Introduction of the paint brand of merchandise into the Chinese market and increasing number of men have started purchasing.
Really, the most important thing here would be increasing number of men. The whole topic is the merchandise brand. So, I think we're doing pretty good so far. Are you guys taking notes? You want to make it funny. Jackie, what's this?
Percentage
Percent of happy people what? Okay, yeah, something like that. Jerry, read that.
The percent of the satisfied
Customers.
customers at Boston shop has been
Rising. Rising. Everyone, rising, rising, rising. So it's going up. This is just an idea. This is just an idea for happy, satisfied, happy people, but people, customers, people. So I think this is much easier than writing customers. Like that. What's that? Jerry.
5.5% something.
Some people unhappy. Summer.
5.5% of the children became dissatisfied with the new iPods.
Right. So I believe the point of the abbreviated note-taking skill here would be to reduce the amount of writing so you don't have to sit there writing everything. And let's just make sure we got this. This is a little mathematical, but I'm using it for more than 6%. More than 6%. Crystal, read that.
According to the research from the Australian Country Foundation, more than 6% off.
Yeah, so the main information here would be the data, more than 6% here. Question? This X would be less than, this would be less, but isn't this mean more? Doesn't this mean more here? 6 more? I'd have to ask the math teacher. Could this mean more than 6%, or does it always mean less than 6%? Does it mean, could it mean more? Or is it always?
It's less than.
It always means less than.
It depends upon your order of
Because all there is
So if the X is there, so you say X is less than 6%.
Oh,
So it's less.
that's why I'm not the math teacher. I'm embarrassed. Okay, what's this? Canvas. What's this one? What? No! It's 17. Say it again. 17.
17.
Not 70. Come on. 17. You guys, I can't understand if you're saying 70 or 17. What's this? Maybe Elmo says this one better than I do. I'm always confused about this because there's and, but we're going to put point here. Anybody know how to say this? You do? Go ahead. I put and point 3, but it's close enough. Good, so we're just dealing with some numbers here. Okay, so let's go back to the listening. We're going to listen to the whole thing again. And we're going to go through the notes together. And we're going to look at how to take the notes better. Okay, so I want you to take some notes again for this, but we're going to go through it step by step. So let's listen to this one more time, just a little bit at a time.
Page 39. Listening for main ideas. A. Close your book. listen to the lecture, and take notes.
Wait, you don't have to write anything.
Hello, everyone. Are you ready to get started? Okay. Today, I'd like to continue our discussion of violence in the media by focusing on television.
So, that is the topic. And if you look over here, it's easy to reduce it to something very simple. Maybe you don't know how to spell cartoon. But what is cartoon and violence? And maybe you don't know how to spell violence. So why not have an abbreviated version of that? And also, if you did know it was television cartoon violence, maybe when you're writing it again and again and again, because that's what they're talking about, you can just abbreviate it to TVKTV. Or TV.KT space V dot. Does that seem better? Easier? Because, I mean, you probably wrote television 50 times, or cartoon. So, I'd like to go a little bit again here.
On TV violence and its impact on children. First, I'll discuss how much violence is on TV.
So, impact, of course, maybe you don't know what impact means right now. And I think it's okay to put child instead of children, because one child, you already know one child, we're not talking about one child. So what is this? What does this mean then? This is the question. What is it?
And numbers, how many violence in
Yeah, and what else? Okay, so yeah, how much violence in TV? Cartoons on TV. Let's play a little bit more and then we can look at it.
And then we'll talk about the impact of TV violence on children. There's a lot of debate about this issue today because children watch a lot of TV, right? TV has a huge impact on children. Kids today watch a lot of TV.
All the same.
In the U.S., almost all families have a TV, 98%. Many families have more than one TV. 52% of children have televisions in their bedrooms so they can watch TV whenever they want.
Okay, so here you hear some more data trying to get those numbers on paper. Let's see what it could look like. This is a very simple way to do it, isn't it? US, 98%, what's this W slash with TV? So I saw a lot of you were able to get this. What's this one, Crystal?
52% child with a TV.
Yeah. And then he goes on and starts asking the people a question. What is the question? And they start asking how many hours of TV? 2 hours of TV? And then somebody says 3 to 4 hours per day. And I saw some of you doing this. This here. What does this mean? Hours per day. You don't have to write the whole thing out. It's all right there. And what's this then? Hayden?
1,500 hours a year.
Yeah. Of what? Of what? Children watching. And then he compares it to this. What is this one? Jackie. Right, so the point is you're spending more time here watching TV than you are at school. It should have a big impact. Okay, so let's listen to it and look at some more notes.
And how much TV does the average child watch each day? Can anyone guess? 2 hours? Okay, that's one guess. Anyone else?
4?
Yes, it's about 3 to 4 hours of TV every day, or almost 1,500 hours a year. Now compare that to the amount of time that kids spend in school each year, about 900 hours, and you can see that TV must have a big impact. Now, many people